that because I'm the first person, so any bonus for me?
Yeah, you have bonus. You have gross. Yeah, we will give you some gross. Don't worry. Don't worry.
I'm the first person and I don't have any experience. Yeah.
Don't worry. You want to see the next case?
Yeah.
Jump in. We're gonna give you a brief. Don't worry. Here, this way. You can leave the bag here. You can leave the bag. So we're gonna give you the brief. Okay. The brief is there are 5 cases here left. It's going to be lottery. Okay. It's not going to be the same case like him. It's going to be a different case. So you're gonna take the random roll and you're gonna get a seat. And then Jung will read you a very high level of the case story, and then the actor will come and sit with you, and you will start playing the game. And like I said, 2 things very important: the advice you tell, and nutrition, and your presentation. I mean, look, you can be always good at presentation. It doesn't cost any knowledge; just being self-awareness is gonna work, okay? And the knowledge, if you're not really sure, you could play around, and you can go around and you check and come back, and you probably need to use the food pyramid, which will provide you in the table. Okay? So here you go.
Thank you for the comment. Thank you.
Sure, go ahead.
Yeah, thank you for your comment.
You're welcome. The video I make, this one, I put it on, check it out, and you will help you. You can. You have to. You have to. You gotta make a difference, so people can learn from you.
Yeah. When you are a doctor or an advisor, you have to observe your patient, and you have to have the sensitivity. What the patient needs, so you will give them the question to give them more question. Okay.
So this is what we're saying, that this is not a scholarship. We just did a scholarship to make our money. Right? So most of the education center, they do give scholarship to promote and make money. We don't do that. We only care about you guys. Grow up and become a real, bright nutrition doctor can make a big difference in the community. And that's all we want. You make your life, and you make a lot of people's life better as well. And when we want to be happy seeing you doing that. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Goodbye. See you.
Yeah. We'll announce the results. You're going to graduate. You will join all the workshop, right?
Yeah.
Good. You're going to be graduating with this school.
So the final is will be on 22nd February.
We'll announce. We'll discuss because there is some other work.
But you have to note that date.
Yeah.
Yeah, the graduation day we will announce, and you should be coming to that day.
Yeah.
We will organize a pretty nice graduation.
But do we have a workshop in the school?
No more workshops because of the corona, it's very difficult to do it. So we're not doing it. So we give you full point for that, and just get ready for the graduation.
So I think you need bonus.
You're gonna get bonus. Don't worry. You're gonna give you gross. Don't worry.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Okay, we start with her. She's getting nervous right
Good luck
now.
to you.
How about my exercises?
Exercise.
Oh, you need to submit that one.
May I give you my email?
My mail.
Yeah.
Email.
When can you send?
Yeah.
When can you send this exercise?
Send email.
Yeah. When?
I think tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Okay.
Send it out, okay?
Yeah.
Make sure you get bonus for that.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
All right. Hey, you're looking very nervous. It's okay. Don't worry. It's gonna be fun. Come on. Keep on. Have a seat. Come over.
You are a doctor.
You are the doctor. You are the nutrition expert. Have a seat. Tell me what number you got.
Number 2.
Number 2.
Number 2.
You okay? Super. Just summarize the case and then you go and sit.
Oh, but we just have 3 participants, so we think, can you do this?
Okay, I will do that. Okay, I will do that. Okay. Okay. That's fine. Go ahead.
I think you will.
I'll play like it in the file.